So today we will discuss Newton's method or the Newton-Raphson method. So you have to remember the formula. So this is the formula for the Newton's method. X is equals to x of a minus the function of x over the differential of the function of x, where y is the function of x. Okay? So, to apply that formula, we have to solve one problem. So, find the intersection of the curve y is equals sine x and the line x equals y plus 1. So, to solve this problem, we will apply Newton's law of Newton's method or the iteration method of Newton. So, solution. First, you have to equate the y's. So, as you notice, your first equation is y equals sine x. This is your equation 1. And the other one is x equals y plus 1. This is your equation 2. You express the second equation in terms of y. So we have now x minus 1. Equating both sides, we have now sine x equals x minus 1. So we have now this equation, sine x minus x plus 1 equals 0. Then get the first derivative. So our function of y now is sine x minus x plus 1. For the first derivative, we have the cosine x minus 1. So as you notice, this is our equation now. The function of x. Ito yun. Then, we take the first derivative. And the derivative of sine is cosine. And the derivative of minus x is 1. The derivative of 1 is 0. We will now substitute this to the formula. Okay? So first, try x equals 0.5. This is in radian. Then substitute mo yung value ng x. So we have now it is 0.979. Pagka kinumpute nyo yan, ilagay nyo ang inyong calculator sa radian mode, huwag sa degree mode. Kasi magkakamali kayo ng sagot. So, cosine 0.5 minus 1 equals negative 0.122. As you notice, you have now this value. Then, apply the, or substitute it to the formula. So, we have now x equals 0.5 minus 0.979 over negative 0.122. For your x now equals $8.52. Okay. As you notice, your answer here is 8.52. Ang ginamit mong pang trial, 0.5s. So, hindi siya. Then, you use this as your next value for x to try again. Okay? So, ito ay nang gagamitin mo yung 8.52. Yan. Next. Then, substitute mo ulit siya. So pagka substitute you have now sine 8.52 minus 8.52 plus 1, you have now negative 6.7337. For the first derivative, you have now negative 1.618. As you notice again, meron ka ng value ng function. I-substitute mo lang ulit siya sa formula. So, naging sagot yan ay 4.358. As you notice again, 8.52 is not equal to 4.358. Then, use that again as your next trial value. Then, repeat the same procedure. So you have here now negative 4.296, and the other one is negative 1.347. Then substitute the values. You will get now positive 1.1688. As you notice again, they are not equal. Then, gagamitin mo na ulit siya doon. Burahin natin itong side nito. Then substitute values. We have 0.7575. And the other one is negative 0.6087. Then we have now 1.1688 minus 0.7575 over negative 0.6087. And we have now the value of 2.403. As you notice, hindi pa rin sila parehas. Then use this again. We try 2.403, we have 0.7298. And the other one is negative 1.7398. Then substitute values we have now 2.403 minus 0.7298 over negative 1.7398. We have now 1.9835. Again, they are not equal. Kailangan kasi mag-equal. Next, use that again. So here we have 0.0675. The other one is negative 1.401. Then substitute, we have now x equals 1.9835 minus negative 0.0675 over negative 1.401. So we have now 1.93535. So as you notice again, 1.93535 is not equal to 1.9835. So here we have negative 0.00107 and the other one is negative 1.3565. Then substitute again. We have x equals 1.93535 minus negative 0.00107 over negative 1.3565. We have now 1.93456. As you notice again, they are not equal. 1.93535. Here we have 1.93456. Ibig sabihin malapit na. Then, try again. So x sub 8 now is 4.3532 times 10 to the negative 6. And the other one is negative 1.35579. Then substitute to the formula. We have 93456 minus 4.3532 times 10 to the negative 6 over negative 1.35579 equals. And the answer is 1.93456. As you notice now, guys, they are equal. Therefore, the final answer is x is equals to 1.9346. So, ganyan yung pagkuha ng variable sa mga problemang masasalimuot. So, kung maka-encounter kayo ng mga problem na napakahirap, use Newton's method of approximation. Some professor use the term the Newton's method of iteration, and so on and so forth. The other said it's Newton-Raphson method. I use the term Newton's method of approximation because finally, you will get the correct answer. Thank you, guys. O, pang YouTube yun. Hindi pa sa inyo. Hindi pa na... Nagpasalamat lang ako sa YouTube kasi papatayin ko na yung aking recording.